Please, can you just turn around? Because people in the back can't see because of the media and everything. So if you could just say hi to everyone. Guys, please give them a huge round of applause all of them. A lot of fun things lined up. Firstly, I want to ask you, how does it feel to like come out and actually promote a song? For the past few months, it's all been online. Everybody's been just doing it digitally. But now we are in person, and of course we have not exactly back to normal, but we're somehow getting there. We have the media and everything lined up. So how does it feel to be actually doing this offline at a college? And there's no audience like the youth. I'm pretty sure you'll agree to what I say. So how does it feel, sir?
Well, actually, this is my first time actually, so I don't have any experience before this, and I'm so glad to be here. Seriously.
So I think दो दिन पहले एक इवेंट में मैं था या बॉलीवुड सोलो सिंगिंग एंड मुझे नहीं पता यहाँ पे कोई कौन था मेरे साथ, इतना याद नहीं है। और मैंने बोला था यार ये मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है, आई विश पर्सनली मैं आता आप सबके पास, और वो मुझे 2 दिन में मेरी विश पूरी कर दी आप लोगों ने। सो
Hello everyone. We are very happy that we are with our song. We are with all you guys, and I hope this song is really very nice, and just everybody will enjoy this song, and it will do well even in the music market also. That is what we feel.
I'm not sure how many people even know that I'm a Miti Bhai alum myself. 2 years I was here. So yeah, I think it's always a pleasure coming back here, and the fact that we have Ankit Bhai, we have Mahesh, and obviously my father here, just adds to the pleasure. So yeah, really looking forward to the event, and thank you so much for having us here.
Alright, now we're talking about the song. I want to know what was the entire idea of the song. How did this inspiration just come from? Because all of us have been so, I mean, on a personal level, we've all experienced different emotional states in this lockdown. Some of us just didn't want to work. Like, I wanted to sleep all day. But how was this inspiration? What was the thought behind creating something like this, a spectacle? So what was the entire...
So I think I first got the song from our composer, who is Aniket Shukla. He couldn't be here because he's in Kanpur right now. But he sent me the song, and the first voice that came to our mind, like my father's and my mind, was obviously Ankit Bhaiya. So we heard the song, he's like, this is Ankit Tiwari's song for sure. So then Aniket was close to Ankit Bhaiya, I think. So he sent it to Ankit Bhai, and then he really liked the song, and then he came on board, and then he really made the song beautiful. After that, we were casting, and I knew that Mahesh was always a model, and he's won quite a few awards there. So Mahesh, I knew Mahesh through, I think we spoke on Instagram first. Yeah. So I knew Mahesh, and then I asked him, do you want to be on board? And he was really excited, and he was a big fan, and I think he is a big fan of...
I was a bit skeptical, music video कभी किया नहीं था, but इसने बोला अंकित तिवारी का song, I was like, I'm in.
We had Mahesh on board, and luckily the director we took also had worked with Ankit Bhai first.
Yeah.
So he
First
knew,
single.
Yeah. So Ankit Bhai's first single was directed by him. So all in all, then we got Anaya on board, and things fell in place. The song was trending on YouTube after that, and it was also doing well on other platforms. So yeah, I think all in all it worked out well. So that was pretty much the story.
Right. I think, yep. So we always see the end result, which is of course the song. Nobody knows what goes behind the song, making that song. We of course face a lot of difficulties, in making a certain song. So इस गाने में especially कोई ऐसी problems आई? Were there any difficulties because the pandemic and everything goes up? So were there any difficulties that you encountered while shooting this?
पर्सनली तो कोई डिफिकल्टी नहीं आई, बिकॉज क्रू इतना अच्छा था, सिद्धांत सर, देन विनीत, सबने इतना कोऑपरेट किया, एंड एक डिफिकल्टी आई, सिर्फ गर्मी ज़्यादा थी, बस, और कोई डिफिकल्टी नहीं थी, बाकी तो एवरीथिंग वेंट स्मूथली. या
That's great. And we're seeing the end result. Of course, it's going to be a chart buster. So once again, for this entire song and the entire cast, please we have certain questions from the audience that they want to ask you. So we're gonna leave it out to the audience. Anybody who wants to ask anything, just raise their hands, and we can go ahead with it. Yeah. Okay. We have one person there. Yes.
So my question is to Vinit, sir. Sir, Walla DJ has completed 3 years. So what has your experience been so far?
It's been beautiful. First of all, thank you for knowing that. Yeah. So it's been 3 years now. I think we've been associated with over 400 songs now.
Yeah.
And it's been a beautiful experience because we've worked with so many artists. In fact, we work with almost everybody on YouTube, all the digital influencers, now even the Bollywood singers, and even new talents. It's been a beautiful experience. Going forward, what we plan to do is we want to scale this up more. Hopefully, you know, we'll have more songs with Ankit Bhai also coming forward. And yeah, we have a lot more singles coming up. We have a lot more music in a lot of languages. So it's been a beautiful, and it's been a learning experience. I've learned quite a lot in this journey. Hopefully I can implement it in the future.
Thank you, sir.
Definitely. Thank you so much for that question. Yes. Do we have anybody more who wants to ask anything from the audience? Yep.
Good morning, good afternoon, sir. My question is to Mahesh, sir. What was your reaction when you reached the milestone of 1 million subscribers in your YouTube channel?
Firstly, for that, I think we should all give him a huge round of applause. It's not an easy task to reach that.
So basically, I've been doing YouTube since 2014, and it's not easy, especially right now with so much competition. It's not easy, and जो एक बूस्ट बोलते वो बूस्ट हुआ इस लॉकडाउन में बिकॉज लोग घर पे थे एंड दे हैड नथिंग टू डू सो लाइक यार यूट्यूब पे चलो कुछ देख लेते हैं एंड माय वीडियो स्टार्टेड पॉपिंग आउट सो रिएक्शन तो क्या बोलते हैं यार आई वाज रिएक्शनलेस बिकॉज यू नो रीचिंग 1 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स वाज लाइक अ ड्रीम टू मी बिकॉज ऑथेंटिक 1 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स पहुंचना इज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट सो या आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी दैट्स ऑल आई कैन से
Thank you. Anybody else? Okay, we have someone at the back. Yes.
My question is to Ankit, sir. Sir, in future, who do you want to collaborate with?
जो भी ऐसा कुछ मैंने सोचा तो नहीं है कि इसी के साथ पर्टिकुलर करना है बट आई एम ए म्यूजिशियन और म्यूज़िक बहुत लोग मुझसे सवाल करते हैं कि फिल्म म्यूज़िक बहुत अच्छा होता है नॉन फिल्म में हम कम ध्यान देते हैं बट मेरे लिए ऐसा नहीं है और यू नो आज के सिनारियो में बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं है जितना फिल्म म्यूज़िक पे ध्यान है लोगों का उतना इंडी पॉप पे भी फोकस कर रहे हैं सब लोग जैसे विनीत इतना ध्यान दे रहा है मुझे जितनी भी बातें होती हैं फ़ोन पे मेरे इसके साथ तो मुझे पूरा यू नो फील होता है कि ये बहुत यू नो बहुत करना चाहता है तो कोलैबोरेशन आई थिंक मेरे हिसाब से बहुत अच्छी बात है होना चाहिए एंड आई विल डू फॉर श्योर बस कौन किसके साथ ये मैंने प्लान नहीं किया हुआ है कुछ भी अच्छी कॉम्बिनेशन होंगे तो ऑफ कोर्स मैं करूँगा
I think just to put it in a better way, that question maybe she meant कि आपके दिमाग में ऐसे कोई म्यूजिक कंपोजर्स जो आपके फेवरेट रहे हो उनके गाने जो आप
मेरे एक्चुअली एज ए म्यूजिशियन अलग अलग मूड भी रहता है ना कि हर वक्त मैं सैड गाने नहीं सुन सकता या हर वक्त मैं रोमांटिक गाने नहीं सुन सकता और मैं बिल्कुल भी वैसा नहीं हूँ मेरे गाने में बहुत ऐसा लगता है ना कि बहुत दुखी आत्मा है वैसा मैं हूँ नहीं
Because Ankit bhai sing from his heart.
बिल्कुल भी वैसा नहीं हूँ बाकी ऐसा सवाल बड़ा मुश्किल में डाल देता है कि यू नो विच इज़ योर फेवरेट सिंगर और कंपोजर और लिरिसिस्ट जो भी क्योंकि अलग अलग मूड पे अलग अलग गाने सुनने का मन होता है कभी पुराने गाने सुनने का मन होता है कभी आज के गाने सुनने का मन होता है कभी यू नो सिर्फ पियानो पे कुछ अनप्लग सुनने का मन होता है या कभी कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा अभी आप किसी क्लब में हो तो यू नो आपको अनप्लग नहीं सुनोगे ऑफ कोर्स तो वो अलग अलग मूड पे डिपेंड करता है और बहुत टैलेंटेड लोग हैं हमारी इंडस्ट्री में जो तब से अभी तक काम करते हुए आ रहे हैं और मैं हमेशा से एक बात बोलता हूँ कि एक चीज़ कभी नहीं जाएगी जो बेसिक मेलोडी होती है हमारे गानों की वो पहले थी आज है और कल भी रहेगी तो वो कभी Of course, मैं
Please, sir.
But
Please, sir.
ये थोड़ी कम आवाज है मुझे लग रहा है सर, ऐसे थोड़ी ना अभी सर इज सच अ ग्रेट सिंगर, तो थोड़ी और आवाज करो प्लीज।
मैं एक्चुअली ये यही गाता हूँ।
मैं
मैं नहीं जाऊँगा।
यस
बट अभी गाना अभी आया है तो मुझे
Right.
थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा लिरिक्स।
तो आई थिंक एक काम करते हैं,
हाँ।
वी हैव द एंटायर एवी, तो एक बार वो प्ले करते हैं।
AV देखते हैं।
हाँ एवी देखते हैं, उसके बाद आई थिंक वी कैन रिकलेक्ट द लिरिक्स
Then
एंड
we'll
वी
sing.
कैन
For sure. Yeah.
सो कैन वी हैव द एवी प्लीज? Thank you so much to all four of you all for being here. But before we let you go, one last question to you. Every year in Kshitij, we have a theme. And this year, the theme is in Hindi for the first time out. I want to ask all four of you all, starting with Girish. So how is your Sapno Ka Safar been? What is your version of Sapno Ka Safar? आपके लिए कैसा रहा है अभी तक की journey? So,
For my life,
yeah.
for my business. See, I have always one dream कि I should grow my business as a Venus Music Company and film production. The way we thought कि we have to grow like this, we have achieved that, and we are very much satisfied with our film production. Now my dream is कि Vinit should do the same thing in Vola DJ. The same thing we should like Venus. That is what my expectation, and I believe कि it will happen.
वेल फॉर मी, मेरे सपनों का सफ़र आई वुड से हमेशा से फिल्म्स रहा है, फिल्म्स एंड टू गेट इनटू वेब सीरीज, बट यूट्यूब केम आउट ऑफ नोवेयर एंड भगवान की कृपा से आई एम डूइंग गुड इन यूट्यूब, एंड यूट्यूब की वजह से अंकित सर के सॉन्ग में परफॉर्म करने मिला, सो आई थिंक आई एम ऑन द राइट पाथ।
मैं कह रहा था 1 मिलियन हो गया, अभी 2 मिलियन का प्लान है इसका। जैसे कि आपने बोला फॉर विनीत, और मैं पता नहीं क्यों आई एम श्योर फॉर हिम, ये करेगा डेफिनेटली फॉर श्योर। और नाम बहुत अच्छा है, सपनों का सफर, और सफर कभी खत्म नहीं होता भाई, है ना? सफर नाम ही ऐसा है कि सफर, और सपने ऐसे हैं कि मैं खुद के लिए बताऊं तो मेरे जो भी सपने हैं वो बहुत यहाँ पे हैं, और उनके पीछे मैं दौड़ रहा हूँ, सपनों के पीछे, और कहीं ना कहीं किसी हद तक मैंने अपने सपनों को छूने की कोशिश की है, टच करने की कोशिश की है, और वही करता रहूँगा, मैं भागता जाऊँगा, छूने की कोशिश।
So I believe a part of the question has been answered by my father. Going forward, अगर आप पूछो सपनों का सफर, एक तो बनाना है, as Papa said, कि Vola DG we want to grow the company as fast as possible, as organically as possible. Second, I have a dream कि going forward, Vola DG should be the go-to music label and platform for any artist in the country, irrespective of how famous they are, irrespective of when did they start their numbers. We want to be somebody who can support talent, and obviously we will continue to work with stars like Ankit Bhaiya and Mahesh. But we want to be somebody who, with the right company for every artist, and that is the dream going forward. We also want to diversify into other avenues, but I think अब तक कुछ हुआ नहीं है, so it will be too early to talk about anything. But hopefully yes, सपनों का सफर is just achieving new heights every day.
And not just that, we really hope that with whatever comes in your lives ahead, we really hope that you get the best of success in all your endeavors. And before we let you go, can we have a quick picture with the audience? All of us could just face this side, and then we can just have the media bites.